Hi Onyx people, here is a quick tutorial on how I achieved this reversible circle top. If you are interested in how I achieved mine, kindly watch this video to the end and do not forget to turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I upload new videos. Please give this video a huge thumbs up. Thanks for always stopping by. So for the sake of this tutorial, you'll be needing 2 yards of different fabrics like this. So to fold this, all I have here is 1 yard 22 inches. So I folded my 1 yard 22 inches into 4. Alright, so this is how you're going to fold it. You're going to pick your 1 yard 22 inches and then fold this way. You fold into 2 and then you fold again. So this is the down part, which is the length. From here to this point is the length. From here to this point is our shoulder line. On the length, I have about 29 inches for my length. For this shoulder area, I have 22.5, 3 inches by 3 inches. And then from this point to this point is my shoulder. So from this point to this point will be our sleeve. Since I have a length of 29 inches to work with, see what I will be doing. I'll do this 29. So as we approach this place, we are just going to be making a reduction. Alright, so this is what we are going to be doing. 29, 29. Alright, I'll make it 28.5, 27, and then 26. So you can just connect that, like, it's quite simple, guys. So then I'll cut the neckline. So I will do the same for this fabric. Everything I've done here is the same I'll be doing here. So what I will do now, so guys, this is the first fabric. I will just open it up. See, just open it up this way, like open it up like this, and then we'll cut this open from this center. Remove the back pattern first, so that you'll be left with the front alone. So here is my front, and then we'll do the same to this one. Remove the back pattern also here. Remove it, and then come over to cut. I've gone ahead to cut this. So on fold here now, we have a length of 23 inches, and that's 46 inches. 46 inches. This is 1, 2, 46 inches in 2 places. For the first one, 42 inches, 46 inches in 2 places again. 1, 2. So we are just going to be using this to turn each other. Like so. Then you sew all through. So So guys, here is after joining. So after joining, you should have at least about 2 inches left after turning it. So what we do next is this. So we are going to be making the right side facing right side. Okay, the right side facing right side. So then, before this face it, we are going to bring this right side will face this right side like this, and then you place this one on this, so it will be in between. It will be in between. Shift downward about ½ an inch downward like this. Shift downward about ½ an inch like this, ½ an inch, so that you can join the neck area with this ½ an inch. So it shifts downward, then you place this on it like so. I love using my pins. So I'll use it to hold it this way. Okay. You do the same on this side too. So then you just join the neck area, and then you join the side too. So while joining the down part, when you are joining the down part like this, you leave a little space. You leave a little space to take out all of this from, and then you join it back. Preferably at the down part, leave a space at the down part, okay? Or you can leave a space between this point and this point. You can leave a space between these points, about 5 inches space is okay to turn out this. And then I'll see you at the end of this video. Thank you for watching.